Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to place your fingers for a D chord and switching between D and G. So your index finger is going to go on the the second fret rather, away from the nut. Then this capo here is replacing the nut to shorten the scale for your convenience. And this is the second fret on the third string here. And you'll notice when I place my hand, I don't keep my fingers like straight with the frets. I kind of turn my hand at an angle like this. Alright? Now as your hand gets a little bigger, you'll have more finger length to work with, but just try to keep your index finger as close to the fret as possible without being on top of it. In other words, get as close to the body, as close to the right as you can without being on top of the fret. Because if you get on top of the fret, you get a muted tone, and you really want a stronger, clearer tone like this. So don't play too hard because the strings are a little bit soft because I tuned them down for you. Alright, second finger goes on the second fret of the first string. Okay? And then your third finger is going to go on the third fret. And again, you want to get as close to the fret as possible. If you come back here, you get a buzzy sound. And that's what you want. So if you're hearing something like this, like that, it means that your hand is pulled too far towards you. You need to push it out just a little bit and give yourself some finger length so you can turn your fingers towards the fretboard like this rather than flat like that. Okay, so you want to use, like you're holding a ball like this. That's how you want your fingertips on the strings. Alright? Like that. Now to go to G, what you do is you just put your fourth finger down underneath your third finger on the third fret of the first string, and then you can just drop your second finger. You don't really even need your first finger. You can use it, but your hands are a little bit small yet, so just lay your finger kind of flat. You know, you don't want it super curved like this because you don't have the length. Just lay it kind of flat, and then let the finger pulp, which is this part of your finger right here, just lay down and mute the fifth string. Okay, so it's going to sound like this. The fifth string is going to be muted. Alright, I'm actually plucking the fifth string, but I'm not getting any sound out of it because of the finger pulp is pushing down onto the string. Okay, and then I just want you to like strum 8 times on your D chord. You're only strumming the bottom 4, and then to go to the G, put your pinky on first, and then put your second finger up to the top string, and then back to D 8 times, 7, 8, pinky on, and G 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try that a few more times. Ready, go, D. Okay, I'm going to do this again, but I want to tell you when is the best time to switch as far as your strumming, because otherwise you might go, look, Mr. Pat, I got it, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're like, you know, and that's kind of annoying because then the flow of the rhythm breaks up. So I want to show you when to change. So you're strumming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thumb is up and switch. That's when you want to switch, is when your thumb or your pick, if you're holding a pick, when your hand is up, then you switch just before you come down for the down stroke. These are down strokes. My hand will be up and I'm going to switch just before I strum. Okay? So I'll do a really slow version of this so you can practice along with it, okay? 1, 2, you know what to do. Strum D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to G and strum. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thumb is up, switch to D, strum down. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to G, thumb is up, and then strum down. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that should help you. You can just repeat that over and over again.